Hello everyone and welcome to Aleph English. It was a beautiful day in London today. I saw lots of people sitting outside pubs with a pint of beer and eating a plate of this. Is this strange British food? No. It's fish. Yes, fish. How is this word pronounced fish? Let's look at each sound. In some words with GH, like rough, tough, and enough, it's pronounced f. In some words, O is pronounced E, like women. And in some words, TI is pronounced sh, station, relationship, emotion, action. F, I, sh. This word is pronounced fish. Is this a real word? But it shows how spelling and pronunciation can be very different. Why is this? Let's go back in time. In 43, the Romans came and brought their alphabet. We still use most of it. Then the Vikings in 793, who brought extra letters, which now we don't use. Then the French in 1066. Well, the French kings came in 1066. So after that, the French kings in England spoke French, but the ordinary people still spoke English. Now we have a country with two languages. Look at these words. You know their pronunciation, but then these words were nit and knit. We didn't have silent letters like K. Was pronounced moose. This began to change with the Great Vowel Shift, a time of big changes in English pronunciation. After that, things stopped changing because printing, books, reading became popular. So there, fish. Next time you're in a pub, think of ordering some lovely hot fish and chips. I know I will. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe to Aleph English for future lessons. What words do you think are difficult to spell or pronounce in English? Leave them in the comments below for your fellow students. Thank you very much, and until next time, good luck.